This video mainly explains how we automatically manage the exchange of numerous tractors and trailers. We have pre-configured and matched the repeaters and display receivers at the factory, according to your vehicle model and application scenarios. The automatic trailer management function is only available when used with the ZR repeater. This function cannot be activated if the ZE repeater is used alone. First, let's power on the repeater with supply power. After the receiver and repeater are powered on, the screen shows no ID, namely all tire data are deleted in advance. Then, you press up arrow button. The display screen automatically shows OK, indicating the repeater has successfully been paired with the display. If one receiver has been paired with multiple repeaters, and you need to identify the corresponding device, you long press the down arrow and the screen will show the repeater ID. Look, you can check the device ID on the receiver display. Once a repeater loses power, the receiver will stop synchronizing data from the repeater. Thank you for your view.